Hello, YouTube viewers and my subscribers. We're doing a video today. I was gonna do fireworks today and show you like that. Not been drinking. I've not been doing anything. I probably had one sip of that. Well, this is what we're gonna try today. And everything. It doesn't say anywhere in the package. It's not for human consumption. It's American Vet Dogs soft and moist doggy treats. Skin coat formula made with real chicken. Actual size. Let's see if it's actual size. Pretty damn close. So I'm reading on here. It doesn't say anywhere on here it's not for human consumption. So this is gonna probably taste really fucking nasty. Really nasty. This is what they look like. It's focused. That's what it literally looks like. Like, just solid. Oh. Gross. Ah. No. Never again. That was gross. It's whiskey mixed with water. It's like that much whiskey and the rest water. Okay. I highly recommend not them. They leave a really bad taste in your mouth. At least my skin and coat formula, does not taste like chicken. Would I do that again? Probably. Yeah, I probably will. It's like the third video I did. Just want to do a quick video. Highly recommend not to do that. So, usually I do this when I'm buzzed. So, I tried the bacon. Tastes like bacon. Tried the puffs. The bacon was actually not bad at all. Tried the puffs. I tried the puffs were like kind of dry. I tried the biscuits. And the biscuits are actually not that bad. I have to admit, not bad at all. I want to eat them like a lot, but they're not that bad. So this is 4 videos I did on dog treats. So if you want me to try something, you just name it and I'll do it. Try like a treat or something. Yes, my beard is growing big. So that's without me really like pulling like that. Because you can see my skin. That's how big my beard is. And my hair's back, so appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Contest is still going on. It's ending soon. That's all you guys need to know. So, thank you. God bless. Happy New Year. Amen. I guess.